Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm Joany, and this is the series of the locomotor movements. Now, this is going to be about the triple step. Now, the triple step is very popular in our belly dancing, but in every dance you see, ballroom, social dance, Latin dance, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. So let's practice that. And we're going to be working on, again, if you haven't seen the first locomotor movement, which is the walk, very important to go through that review before starting the triple step. So get into something very comfortable and let's get started. Our triple step. And that's what it is. It's a triple step. But there's two push of the back foot. So what's going to happen, if we start with the right foot, the left foot's going to push twice. So you're going to start proper CPA. Let's breathe in, expand first. Hold the expansion, not the breath. So now you're in proper posture. That's what CPA means, correct posture alignment, okay? So you're not too much on the heel, you're on your arch. So this ear, shoulder, hip, right on your arch, okay? So let's get into our triple step. We're gonna press back foot towards your right foot in order to kind of go forward. So again, the body goes forward, you press, and then this moves forward. You're rolling from the back foot, rolling from the front foot. Now what's going to happen, you're going to bring that in, and then the foot pushes again. The left side's going to push you again forward, and it rolls forward. Okay, now that was 3-step. We went right, the left foot came in and pushed again, and then you step right again. So now we're going to repeat. This time it's the right foot's going to push you twice. Okay, so now it comes in, it pushes you forward, pushes the left foot forward and rolling on the left foot. You're going to bring your right foot in, okay, and then you kind of just put all the weight on that right foot and then repeat. Push forward with the left foot going forward. Excellent. So now we're going to go and do the same thing going backward. So now you're going to go with the left, pushing twice towards the back. So the right foot goes back, you're pushing towards the back, good, and then you come in. Put the weight on the left foot, and this one again, you're going to roll and push to the back, push yourself to the back, and it pushes the right foot back. And then we're going to repeat on the right foot. Okay, now the right foot pushes back, left foot goes back, roll in, foot comes in together, switch the weight on 2, and then push with the right foot, whoop, back 3. And then bring it in. It's really hard when you do it slow, but again, it's to try to get all of this movement, correct movement, and efficient movement into your triple step. And we're going to do that again. So you're going to push your right foot twice, the left foot goes forward. So you push from the back, 1, bring it in on 2, and then 3. Good. And then the left foot's going to push twice, and you go 1, bring it in on 2, 3. Woo. And now let's go back. You're going to push from the right, you're going to go back. So you're going to push from the front towards the back. Okay? It's like, and let's do that again. So again, review the walk if this is a little bit too complicated. So you're going to go 1, put the weight on your left foot, 2, switch, and push back, 3. And then let's repeat. Now it's going to be the right foot doing all the work, and you push back, 1, bring it in, 2. I'm kind of went diagonally for some reason, but let's do it again. If you go straight forward and left foot pushing the right foot, 1, bring it in, and 2, switch, 1, 2, bring it in and back. So now you're going to go 1, 2, 3, back, and now the left foot goes back, 1, 2, 3, together. And let's repeat. So So the right foot goes forward twice, but you're pushing with the left foot twice. And we'll go 1 together, 2, 3 together. Now switch. 1 together, 2, 3 together. And now let's go back. 1 together, 2, 3 together. Switch. 1 together, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to come closer here, and again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Try to work with the footwork, and then eventually it becomes much, much easier. So we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's go and do a circle. Okay, so I'm going to go in a circle. Let's go clockwise. So we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Push from the back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. Now, in belly dancing, we sometimes do it on the ball of our feet, but it has the same thing. It's the same thing. You're still going to be pushing from the back going forward twice, okay, when you're going forward. So on releve, so you want to put the weight on the ball of your feet and try to keep the weight towards the big toe, okay? But you still balance on the arch. You're still on the arch, okay? But the weight is on the ball of your feet. And you just want to flex the feet. So you're going to flex and push. So what happens is that you still, if you're going with the right foot forward, you're still going to press against the ball of your foot to bring the left foot forward. And then bring it in and now switch. Now you're going to press this one and press and bring it forward and then bring it in, bring it forward. Now let's go back. So this one I'm going to press towards the front, going back and in. Back and switch. Back and in and back. Let's do that a bit faster. So go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now this one. 1, 2, 3. Now this one. 1, 2, 3. Pushing forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's go in the circle. Same thing. I'm going to go clockwise. So you're not going to be going backward. So we're going to press from the left foot going forward to your right foot. And 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You're going to feel this kneecap. 2, 3. Good. So that's your triple step, and focusing on pressing back when you're going forward and then pressing forward, going back. Doing that footwork that you did in the walk and the walk. Just focus on the walk where you just really push forward, and then when you're going back, press from the front foot and roll back. Okay? Really kind of help you to kind of have more energy into your dance, and you never have to really force it or stomp it, you know. You're more lighter, there's more levitation into it too, okay? So enjoy this triple step, practice every day. And again, like I said, you can see it in the bachata, you can see it in the waltz, 1, 2, 3. You're doing all these like beautiful swinging and gliding action, but it's the triple step. Okay, enough of that. Practice. Love you all. Bye.